Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get Quicksilver in Marvel Infinity. To begin, understand that obtaining Quicksilver typically involves collecting character shards. These shards are often found through specific in-game events, daily missions, or sometimes as rewards from special chests. Prioritize participating in any limited-time events that feature Quicksilver as a reward, as these are often the most direct path to unlocking him quickly. Keep an eye on the event calendar for upcoming opportunities. One primary way to get Quicksilver is by actively engaging in character-specific events. These events often provide a significant number of his shards upon completion of various objectives. Additionally, consistently completing your daily and weekly missions can sometimes yield universal character shards or even direct Quicksilver shards as bonus rewards. Always check the in-game store regularly, as special bundles or direct shard purchases for Quicksilver might appear, offering a quicker acquisition method if you choose. Beyond events, consider focusing on your arena performance. High rankings in arena battles often grant premium currency or specific character shards, which can sometimes include Quicksilver. Also, certain campaign missions, particularly later chapters, might list Quicksilver shards as potential drops or first-time completion rewards. Don't forget the power of teamwork. Joining an active alliance can provide access to alliance-specific stores or raid rewards that may also contribute to your Quicksilver shard collection. To maximize your chances, save your premium in-game currency for when Quicksilver appears in special offers or premium orbs. Patience and consistent daily engagement are key. Even small gains each day add up over time. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. By combining event participation, diligent shard farming, and smart resource management, you'll be recruiting Quicksilver to your roster in no time, enhancing your team with his incredible speed and power.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.